many interactive activities. The exhibit about cracking codes during World War II is quite interesting. There aren't many other educational exhibits. The focus is mainly on games. It's suitable for families with friends or families with older children. Experience Spyscape Spy Museum in New York, a top-rated attraction where you can dive into the world of espionage through interactive exhibits and hands-on challenges. Explore 7 high-tech galleries designed to let you think like a spy, blending thrilling history with immersive activities that test your undercover skills. Architect Sir David Adjaye designed the museum with dim lighting, smoked glass, and polished steel for a true noir atmosphere. Test your abilities by dodging lasers, making and breaking codes, running surveillance, and practicing interrogation techniques. Visitors must present their voucher at the ticket desk for the next available time slot, and bag checks by security are mandatory. Opening hours may change, and children under 12 must be accompanied by an adult aged 18 or older.